Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time, if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up by 267.75 points, that is 0.36%, and settled at 74,221.06 points. Nifty 50 is up by 68.75 points, that is 0.31%, and settled at 22,597.80 points. Bank Nifty is down by 266.25 points, that is 0.55%, and settled at 47,781.95 points. Nifty Mid-Cap 100 Index is up by 99.20 points, that is 0.19%, and settled at 52,167.50 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is down by 59.35 points, that is 0.35%, and settled at 16,880.50 points. Shares of homegrown contract manufacturer Dixon Technologies rose as much as 4% to hit a record high on Wednesday after a media report said that the Noida-based company is expected to manufacture Google Pixel 8 smartphones in the country. Dixon Technologies Managing Director and Vice Chairman Atul Lal recently said that manufacturing for a global brand through Compal is expected to commence by 24 September. In October last year, Alphabet Incorporated owned Google had announced plans to manufacture Pixel 8 smartphones in India. In recent years, India has established itself as a truly world-class hub for manufacturing, resulting in a thriving environment for businesses to flourish, Rick Osterloh, Senior Vice President, Devices and Services at Google, said at the time. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, has recently updated the way it calculates the market value of publicly listed companies. Under the listing obligation and disclosure requirement rules, SEBI has changed the method for determining the market capitalization of listed companies. Instead of the current practice of using the market capitalization as of 31st March, companies will now use the average market capitalization over the previous 6 months. This change will take effect from 31st December 2024. This new method aims to provide a more accurate representation of a company's market size by considering its market capitalization over a longer period, rather than a single point in time. The new rule would come into effect from 31st December 2024. It said the ranking of compliance would be based on average capitalization from 1st July to 31st December, with 31st December as the cutoff date. SEBI said in a notification that every recognized stock exchange shall, at the end of the calendar year, i.e., 31st December, prepare a list of entities that have listed their specified securities, ranking such entities based on their average market capitalization from 1st July to 31st December of that calendar year. Navratna Defence PSU Bharat Electronics Limited on Wednesday said that it has received orders worth 1,150 crores rupees till date during the financial year 2024-25. According to the company, the major orders include AMC of Akash Missile System, Combat Management System for Ships, Missile Fire Control System for Ships, Laser Range Finders, Communication Network Center, etc. With this positive results, stock surged up in session. Strides Pharma Quarter 4 net profit 181 million rupee versus loss of 95 million rupees. With this positive results, stock surged up in today's session. Big news from Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services, part of the Mahindra Group, on 22nd May said that it has received a certificate of registration from IRDAI for insurance distribution for its customers. The license will enable Mahindra Finance to solicit, procure and carry on the business of selling, distribution, advertising, marketing of all kinds of insurance products services including life insurance, health insurance, general insurance under single entity, the NBFC said in a statement. DB Corp Quart 4 net profit 1.2 billion rupee versus 410 million rupee year-on-year. Quarter 4 EBITDA 1.72 billion rupee versus 752 million rupee year-on-year. Quarter 4 EBITDA margin 27.89% versus 14.17% year-on-year. With this positive results, stock surged up in today's session. Welspun Enterprises shares rose over 8% in the afternoon session on Wednesday after the firm said it has emerged as L1 bidder for the construction of 1,864.71 crore rupees project. The project is access-controlled multimodal corridor from Navghar to Balavali in Maharashtra on EPC mode package MMC-11 from Kalambasure km 88 plus 622 Govidle km 96 plus 410 in TQ Uran and District Raigad, length 7.79 kilometers, project of Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation Limited, MSRDC client, said the firm in a communication to Bourses. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.